Hey there, future earners. Welcome to Growthify Earn. Are you looking for a legit way to earn an extra $1,000 or more every single month, straight from your laptop? Well, what if I told you it's not just a dream, it's real? I've done it, and you can too. In this video, I'm sharing the exact step-by-step blueprint that helped me earn $1,000 a month as a freelance content writer. And guess what? No prior experience needed. So stick around, because by the end, you'll have a clear roadmap to launch your own profitable writing journey. Let's be honest. Not too long ago, I was in your shoes, searching for a real, consistent way to earn online income. After trying multiple things, I stumbled upon freelance content writing, and it changed everything. And as you'll see from the visuals, this isn't some overnight money scheme. It's a skill-based system that actually works when done right. And the best part? The demand for content writers is booming globally, right now. So let's jump into the 5 steps that took me from $0 to $1,000 a month. Step 1. Master the skill. No degree, no fancy background. All you need is the ability to write clearly and connect with readers. Start by choosing a niche. Finance, tech, health, travel, whatever excites you. You can't be a jack of all trades. Pick one niche and become an expert in it. Next, learn. Read great articles. Observe how they're written. What hooks you? What keeps you reading? Use free tools. Coursera, Udemy, YouTube. There's endless content out there. Download Grammarly, even the free version. It'll fix grammar, clarity, and polish your work like a pro. Also, learn SEO basics, because clients pay more for content that helps them rank on Google. Step 2. Build an irresistible portfolio. Once you've practiced writing, it's time to showcase your skills. No clients yet? No problem. Create 3 to 5 sample articles in your niche. Write as if you're being paid. Think 5 ways to save money fast, or Beginner's Guide to Investing in ETFs. Upload them to Google Docs, Medium, or a free blog on WordPress. Keep it simple, professional, and make sure every sample represents your best quality work.